Imagine for a moment that death isn't real, that no matter what happens to you, an accident, an illness, even the end of the universe, your consciousness never truly ends. Sounds impossible, right? But in quantum physics, there's a theory so strange, so unsettling, that it suggests you might never die at all. This is the paradox of quantum immortality. To understand this idea, we have to talk about the many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics. It says that every time a decision happens, reality splits. In one version, you turn left. In another, you turn right. Every possible outcome happens, which means there are infinite versions of you, living infinite variations of your life across an endless web of parallel universes. Here's where it gets dark. Imagine a deadly experiment, a gun triggered by pure quantum randomness. In some universes, the gun fires. In others, it doesn't. Now think about this from your perspective. In the universes where you die, you're gone. You can't experience them. But in the universes where you survive, even by the smallest chance, you continue to exist. To you, it feels like you always survive. Every time. Forever. This is quantum immortality. The idea that your conscious experience will always hop into the version of reality where you survive. Everyone else might see you die, but in your subjective experience, you simply keep going. It's like being trapped in an infinite coin toss. No matter how many times it lands on death, you'll only ever feel the side where you live. At first, immortality might sound like a gift, but imagine the reality of it. Surviving every accident, every illness, every catastrophe. Even when the universe itself collapses, in some timeline, you keep going. Endless survival, endless suffering. Immortality, not as a blessing, but as a curse you can never escape. But here's the catch. Does consciousness really hop between universes? Or is that just an illusion of interpretation? Some scientists dismiss this theory as philosophy, not physics. Others whisper that maybe quantum mechanics has already given us a clue. After all, the very fabric of reality behaves as if it only exists when observed. And if that's true, maybe your mind's the anchor that keeps reality alive. So ask yourself this. If you really can't die, if your mind will always find a version of reality to continue, then what does that make you? A soul? A glitch in the code? Or just a prisoner of infinity? Quantum immortality doesn't promise heaven. It doesn't even promise peace. It promises survival. Relentless. Eternal. Inescapable. So maybe the real question isn't, could you live forever? Maybe the real question is, would you want to?